Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. Today I'm going to show you how to reset Skoda Roomster 2010 service light. It's very easy. I'll show you step by step. If you still didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe now. Also press bell icon. You can get our new videos. If you have any question, comments, please mention below. Then I'll reply you as soon as possible. Okay, I'll show you what I'm going to do now. When ignition on, you see as it is service light and spanner light there. It's very easy to reset. I'll done already service of this car, then I'm going to reset this service light. First we need to switch off the engine. Switch it off like this panel, then press and hold this button and ignition on. Once you ignition on, you have to press this button just once, then after that it will reset. I'm going to do it now. Right, I'm going to press and hold this button and same time ignition on. Leave it this button and press this button. Release. That's it. Ignition off. We'll see what happened now for the service light. Ignition on. Start the car. Service light disappeared. Thanks for watching. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. If you still didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe now. See you with the next video. Thanks again.